All night begin, guys. Kids are playing games. Are we going to do marshmallows tonight?
It's burnt. I caught it on fire. It's really yummy this time. Oh, this is really delicious. But if you see this,
Oh yeah. How's it, Amanda?
My favorite.
Your favorite? Ooh. Look at that. Emily is looking good, Emily.
if you don't know how to make a fire, learn from Uncle Chan.
Yes. Ooh, how's it, Emily? It's almost melty.
But it's not as melted as mine was. Oh.
Hold it right there. Good girl. Oopsie. Concentrate what you're doing.
Oh my goodness, Daddy! Teach me how to make that. I have to learn. Oh my goodness.
Whew. This is what we call mantap.
That's what we call mantap. Okay?
See you in the morning, guys. Huh?
How many of us got we need?
There's a donut there too, guys, if you want.
Did we walk down the road then?
Yeah. Sure, 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, again, I guess these people are sleeping here. Alright, let's go down there, guys, because it's a 15 minutes to walk. That's quite long to walk. This is nice and beautiful. And the kids are still loving it. It's good things that they're not complaining about, you know, the beautiful nature like this. Oh wow, look at that. But it's not a big one. Oh yeah. No, the purple one.
No, they're actually brown outside and purple.
How about here? That's just like more drain. Look at that jungle over there on the other side, guys. That's it's more like a cloth. Is it cloth? Cloth. Cloth plantation. We see a house over there. Look at that. It's a house over there. It must be a farmer's house. And also look at this. There's a lot of a coffee plantation. And did you know that, guys? The reason why they plant the coffee plantation like this is because the coffee plantation has a really strong root, so it holds the land. Yeah, look at this. This is coffee. It's like a camp. It's a camp in here. Oh, I can see the waterfall right there, guys. Look at this river, so clean. I guess it would be good in here tubing with the balloon. Oh, there we go. Look at that. We've seen it, guys. Woo! And they say we can swim in here as well. So we have our swimmers. So we're gonna go swimming and enjoy this waterfall in here. There's another one waterfall, small one. The big one is just right over there. Huh? Bad news, why?
Maybe turn off this video.
What's going on?
Me and you can talk a bit. No.
Well, everyone, this is the waterfall. We thought we can go swimming, but the water is flat. That is a bigger one. Look at to the top.
Mommy, there's another waterfall. But that waterfall looks like the waterfall in the picture. That is nice. Like galaxy blue.
All right, so we go to the next waterfall. That's a big leaf.
ahead.
Yes, let's go. We'll go to the next one.
There's no car.
Oh no. All right. Maybe there. All the way there.
Doesn't look like there's a way.
I mean, I guess that's the bridge.
Yeah, maybe we
All right, let's go then. Let's go, Emily.
go where?
Let's go on the other side, cross the road. Emily, come on.
What did you say?
Come with me.
Should I go and check it before we leave?
Sure.
Mommy, there's a what? Mommy, look at the sea!
Ooh, that's a big one. As big as Emily's head. One new step. Yes. Abigail, watch out the broken glass, okay? We're going the wrong way, guys. I mean, we're supposed to cross that bridge, but it's broken. Now we're gonna find out how to get to there, and probably we have to cross this river and go on the other side.
Dragonflies are galaxy colors, Mama.
Okay. Is there any road?
I don't know about this.
No?
It's kind of a park, but it's very muddy.
It's very muddy. Just go try even the muddy, it's fine.
It's a bit muddy.
Let's take this kid's adventure.
Mud puddle. It has to be done.
Maybe not, babe? Huh? It looks like nobody go that way.
Parkour.
But is that the one on the picture?
I don't know.
Alright, if not sure, then let's go then.
Yeah, I don't think it's worth it, and we don't have any water.
Okay, let's go, Emily. Go back there. Alright, we cancel, guys. We cannot go there. So we're gonna swimming. There's a small drain that we passed earlier, so we're gonna swimming on that side. But this place is amazing. What? Ants. There's a lot of ants. Scare you, eh? I missed that. This is so much fun. Whoa, that's the deep bit. Really fun. Are you going to? And I can tell that they look after this place. Those local people look after this place. Like a really nice over there. And on that side, someone's rice already.